What's up YouTube? In this episode I want to show you how you can clear your maintenance light on your Volvo. In my case it's S80. So if you start your car, you close the door and you have that maintenance light overdue. So what you need to do, put the key in ignition, press and hold this T1, T2 button, press push start button once and then press and hold. All the lights gonna come on, wait till this flashed 3 times, let it go, shut off your car, press the brakes, start again, and your maintenance light is gone. Alright guys, that's it. Just wanted to make a quick video, maybe it's gonna be helpful for someone.